Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Science and Wisdom. In today's video I will show you how to compose or apply useful formulas in Microsoft Excel. First I will sum these three values of Ali, Math, Science and English. Click on formula bar, type is equal to, type sum, select the cell, shift right arrow and press enter. Now I will drag this value downward. It will automatically add these three values, and these three values in just one click. Click this box and drag it downwards. It will automatically add these three values. Now subtract the 88. Now they subtract 300 from 88, and you can select any cell you want to subtract. Type is equal to in formula bar, or you can also type here. First select the relevant cell in which you want to get answer. Is equal to, I will minus this from 300 from 88. It will show you the answer. Now drag this downward. Now I will divide 388 division. I will now apply the division. Type is equal to, select 300, divide by 88. Press enter. It will show you the answer. Two digits after the decimal, I can decrease or increase this by clicking these two arrows. Now drag it downward. It will show you the. You want more digits after decimal, you can increase decimal by clicking this arrow. And you can also reduce it. Now I will do the multiplication. I want to multiply this value and this value, these two values, or you can select three values also. I want to select this and this values. Type is equal to, select the value or cell you want to multiply, and shift and add button press together. It will show you the star sign. It will in Excel it will multiply this value. Press enter, you will get this answer. Okay, you can check by click the cell and formula bar. It will show you the selections for calculation. Now I want to check this. Click this cell and formula bar. It will show you the selected cells that was calculated. Drag this to downward. Now I will calculate the average. Is equal to, in formula bar type average, AVER, average, and select this as I want to take average these three values. Shift right arrow, press enter, and drag this value. This formula is applied automatically by typing this formula. Okay, you can check it By click the relevant cell and formula bar, it will show you the selected values. If you want to take average this value and this value, 85 and 88, and it will alter, then you can first remove it, also use this. For example, I will do you I will do the type average. I want to take average these two values, 85. Now type comma in address in the formula bar and select another value, press enter. Now drag it down, it will show you the values that you have selected. Press enter. Okay, now we will apply the complicated formula. In Excel, you will see that first and Excel will do the calculation to remove or to solve the round bracket or small bracket, and then uh, irregular bracket, this bracket, and then square bracket. It will do exact principles, it will apply exact principles of mathematics while doing the calculation of this complicated formula. Okay, in this are the values to be represented. This x, I will take this x values of maths, y science, and z is english, and I will only compose the formula for first entry, and it will all automatically applied on each and every entry. And this I will take this value as b, and this all value will multiplied by 100. Okay, that is equal to, now first value I want to add these two values x and y, means maths and science. Okay. Start bracket, click on formula bar is equal to, no, is equal to sum, this value and this value. Okay, apply another bracket, and these two summation will be subtracted from this value. It's mean English. Press type dash and select this value. Now again apply brackets here and here. Now these three values will be multiplied by this two values. Multiply by this division. Start bracket. Brackets are very important to represent or to represent this on it means that this answer will be, this whole answer will be multiplied by this answer. So this is the reason that brackets are very important. Now select x. X was the math subject. 85. Again this 85. The per division type oblique 85 and y. It will be divided by y. Close bracket. Now this whole value will be divided by this value. I had selected this value. This value represent the total marks. Okay. Now divide. First apply the brackets to represent this all as one value. Close the bracket. Start and divide oblique sign type oblique sign multiply by divide by b. It's mean this value. Okay. Now this whole value will be multiplied by this 100 value. Then you have to type another bracket. Click here, start bracket and close bracket and type star multiply by 100. When you press this equal to, it will solve first these three values, and answer of this value will be multiplied by the answer of the division of this value, and then this whole nominator value will be divided from this value, and this overall answer will be divided by this value, and then overall from answer uh, we have got from this portion will this answer will be multiplied by this value. Okay, press enter, you will get this answer. I want two digits after decimal. Decrease decimal and drag this thing down. It will automatically apply this formula to each and every entry. Even you have thousands of entries, it will be applied in just one click. Okay, this drag thing is also available. You can also copy this, control C, and make selection, and then control V. It will automatically apply the formula on each and every entry. In addition to all this, we can also calculate the percentage. Write percentage in this cell as heading. Control G. I want the percentage answer in this cell. Type is equal to, these are total marks and these are obtained marks. Okay, the percentage will be calculated from the division of 263 divided by 100 multiplied by 263 divided by obtained marks divided by total marks, and this will be multiplied by 100. You will get the percentage. Okay, is equal to this obtained marks divide by type oblique sign divide by total marks. Close this bracket, close these in the bracket, multiply by 100. Type star, shift it and type 100. Press enter, you will get the answer. Here are another four selections. Then you drag or copy this to the one, one, two, three, four. It will show you the answer. You can check this. Understand? If you drag downward, it will not show the answer. You can check it. This means you have to enter the values here and here. It will show you the answer automatically here. For example, I type the value of 56 here, and here I will type the 300. It will automatically show the, sorry, I have selected the wrong cells for that. Obtain marks was here. Okay, 300, and then type 200 here. It will show you the answer of this relevant cell. Remove it. So friends, in this video you learned how to apply a custom calculation formula in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you very much.